Some cop up there, I don't know what he's doing, blocking the lanes. What's going on, guys? Today we got these goodies right here. CTS turbo front mount. I just wanted to run consistently cool. I don't want it to heat soak, I want it to run consistently, so I'm just upgrading the front mount today. So I just gotta take this front bumper off, get it on jacks first, take everything off to get to the stock front mount, drain the coolant, and replace the front mount. So I'll see you guys then. CTS intercooler installed. The shiny thing right there. Fits perfect, no modifications. And then we got the top mount to match. That was installed at the shop when it was rebuilt. Quarantine cruise and they busted it already.
Oh.
6 minutes before even trying to arrive here. Yeah, they're all sending us away. I think everyone's just going on the highway now. There's not even a light there. It's everyone just U-turning.
Yo, are you there?
We left already. There's like everyone, it got shut down over here.
Yeah, I know, because I'm about to get there right now and there's a cop.
Yeah, we're right here too. There's like a million cars here U-turning.
Oh,
Just, we're going 303 and if anything, we're gonna be in Chandler. I don't know if you want to go all the way there.
where are you at right now?
Right by the cops, like we're waiting for everyone to U-turn.
So you're by the spot?
Yeah. It's so slow.
What's that?
It's super loud, but so slow when you slow down.
Yeah.
There's a broken down Honda, my friend. We got the police joining us on the cruise. We're about to race them too. And then some cop up there, I don't know what he's doing, blocking the lanes. I don't know what that, why is he doing that? We're like getting, and there's another cop on the side. We've seen like 10 cops so far.